Okay, so coming this Friday on 7:30 p.m. Central Time, we are going to be having a virtual West Texas SQL Server users group discussion on high availability and business needs. This is very useful for people who, if you have to speak directly to the business, or if you're a technical entrepreneur, kind of like myself, and maybe you have some really important data that can never be offline. We're going to be discussing some scenarios, definitely not every single possible scenario, but I'll have some PowerShell scripts saved on GitHub, and we'll go over a few. And most of the thoughts will be just about architecture and needs. I still haven't found a venue in Lubbock specifically. I guess I could look in Midland. But a lot of the universities, it's really interesting in that area. They think that a user group is like an event that you charge for or something. So it's funny what, like, West Texas, I love West Texas, but it's just a very different place. And it's like, well, what are you selling? And I'm like, well, I'm not selling anything. It's just a users group, like you can get together and you use stuff together. But anyway, so for now, we'll just do virtual meetups, and I like to do a couple of virtual meetups anyway because I get to invite students. I have a couple of students in India and everybody else. So all of my YouTubers and my students and everybody on LinkedIn, all of you are invited. It's just going to be about 30 minutes. It's not a big deal. So, and then I'm going to save a copy of it to YouTube. Now, if I have internet issues or internet outages, sometimes my internet will connect and then disrupt. What I'll do is I'll just record it and then post it to YouTube, and then try to answer questions that are comments on the video. So you're all invited. The link to it is in the description. It's right there as well. And you're welcome to come.